Hello and welcome to this video on how to quit smoking. Smoking is one of the leading causes of preventable deaths worldwide and has numerous negative effects on our health. But quitting smoking can greatly improve our overall health and well-being. The purpose of this video is to provide you with practical tips and guidance to help you quit smoking successfully. So, let's get started. Setting a quit date is an important first step in quitting smoking. Having a goal to work towards can provide motivation and a sense of purpose. But how do you choose the right quit date? It's important to pick a date that gives you enough time to prepare, but not so far in the future that you lose your motivation. When choosing your quit date, consider any major events or challenges that may make quitting more difficult. Once you have your quit date in mind, it's time to start preparing. This may include stocking up on nicotine replacement therapy, finding alternative activities to replace smoking, and reaching out to friends and family for support. Quitting smoking can be a difficult journey, but it's much easier with the right support system. That's why seeking support is such an important part of quitting. Having friends and family who are supportive and understanding can make a huge difference. Don't be afraid to reach out and talk to the people in your life about your decision to quit smoking. They can provide encouragement and accountability as you go through the quitting process. In addition to friends and family, you can also consider joining a support group or seeking professional help from a counselor or therapist. These resources can provide additional support and guidance as you navigate the challenges of quitting smoking. Finding alternatives to smoking is an important part of quitting. When you're used to smoking in certain situations or during certain activities, it can be tough to break that habit. But by finding new activities to replace smoking, you can reduce your cravings and make quitting a little easier. So, how do you find alternatives to smoking? Start by thinking about the times and places where you normally smoke, and then brainstorm activities that you can do instead. For example, you could go for a walk, drink water, or chew gum. The goal is to find something that you enjoy and that helps take your mind off smoking. These alternative activities can help make quitting a little easier and provide a positive outlet for your energy and emotions. Avoiding triggers is a key part of quitting smoking. Triggers are the things that make you want to smoke, like stress, boredom, or being around other smokers. By avoiding these triggers, you can reduce your cravings and make quitting a little easier. So, what are triggers and how do they lead to smoking? Triggers are specific situations, emotions, or activities that make you want to smoke. By identifying your personal triggers, you can start to figure out ways to avoid them. This might mean avoiding certain places or people, or finding alternative activities to do instead. The goal is to find strategies that work for you and help you avoid your triggers. With time and practice, avoiding triggers will become second nature and you'll be on your way to a smoke-free life. Using nicotine replacement therapy, or NRT, can be a helpful tool in quitting smoking. NRT works by providing you with a small amount of nicotine, which can help reduce cravings and withdrawal symptoms. There are several types of NRT available, including gum, patches, lozenges, and inhalers. So, how does NRT help in quitting smoking? By providing a small amount of nicotine, NRT can help you manage your cravings and withdrawal symptoms, making quitting a little easier. But it's important to use NRT effectively to get the most benefit. This might mean using a combination of NRT products, or using NRT at specific times of the day. The key is to work with your doctor or healthcare provider to find the best NRT plan for you and your specific needs. With the right support and tools, quitting smoking can be a successful and rewarding journey. Staying active is an important part of quitting smoking and maintaining good health. Exercise can help reduce cravings, improve mood, and boost overall health. So, how exactly can exercise help with quitting smoking? Regular exercise releases endorphins, which are natural chemicals in the brain that can help reduce stress and improve mood. Exercise can also help take your mind off smoking and provide a positive outlet for your energy and emotions. But why is staying active important for overall health? Regular exercise can help improve heart health, reduce the risk of chronic diseases, and boost overall well-being. So, how can you incorporate exercise into your routine? Try to find physical activities that you enjoy, like walking, cycling, or swimming. The goal is to find something that you look forward to and that helps you stay active and healthy. With a little effort and commitment, you can make exercise a regular part of your routine and reap the many benefits for your health. Staying positive is an important part of quitting smoking. Quitting can be a challenging process, but by staying positive and focusing on the benefits, you can increase your chances of success. So, what are some of the challenges of quitting smoking? Quitting can cause withdrawal symptoms, such as cravings, irritability, and fatigue. You may also experience setbacks, like slipping up and smoking a cigarette. But by reminding yourself of the benefits of quitting, like improved health and reduced stress, you can stay motivated and on track. So, how can you overcome setbacks and continue with the quitting process? If you slip up and smoke a cigarette, don't get discouraged. Instead, try to learn from the experience and make a plan for how to handle similar situations in the future. With persistence and positive thinking, you can quit smoking and enjoy the many benefits of a smoke-free life. In conclusion, quitting smoking is a journey that requires persistence and effort. But by following the steps we've covered in this video, you can increase your chances of success. A quick recap of the steps: set a quit date, seek support, find alternatives to smoking, avoid triggers, use nicotine replacement therapy, stay active, and stay positive. Quitting smoking can be a challenging process, but it's also one of the most rewarding things you can do for your health. So, don't give up. With the right tools and support, you can quit smoking and enjoy the benefits of a smoke-free life. If you need additional help or support, there are many resources available. Your doctor or healthcare provider can provide guidance and support, and you can also consider joining a support group or seeking help from a counselor or therapist. Good luck, and stay positive.